Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm going to do Hiawatha's Childhood. Hiawatha's Childhood by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. By the shores of Gitche-Gumee, by the shining big sea water, stood the wigwam of Nokomis, daughter of the moon, Nokomis. Dark behind it rose the forest, rose the black and gloomy pine trees, rose the firs with cones upon them. Right before it beat the water, beat the clear and sunny water, beat the shining big sea water. There the wrinkled old Nokomis nursed the little Hiawatha, rocked him in his lying cradle, bedded soft with moss and rushes, safely bound with reindeer sinews, stilled his fretful wail by saying, "Hush! The naked bear will hear thee," lulled him into slumber singing, "Yee-wah-yah, my little owlet, who is this that lights the wigwam? With his great eyes lights the wigwam. Yee-wah-yah, my little owlet." At the door on summer evening sat the little Hiawatha, heard the whispering of the pine trees, heard the lapping of the water. Sounds of music, words of wonder. "Minnie-wow-wow," said the pine trees. "Mud-way-owska," said the water. Saw the firefly Wah-wah-taysee flitting through the dust of evening, with its twinkle of its candle lighting up the brakes and bushes. And he sang the song of children, sang the song Nokomis taught him. Wah-wah-taysee, little firefly, little flitting white fire insect, little dancing white fire creature, light me with your little candle ere upon my bed I lay me, ere in sleep I close my eyelids.
Very
Thank you.
good.